Hello everyone. So this is my first time using a webcam on YouTube. So I just got my first set of lockpicks. It is a starter kit from Tools UK. You can go to Tools UK or tools.uk to get your own starter kit. I will just for a second show their website. Uh, Here you go. So you can join and you can join the organization by giving a £20 membership fee. They have they also have a meetup in Birmingham on every Wednesday, every first Wednesday. So that's cool. uh, I got this toolkit because I got interested in lockpicking when I met this outfit, the Tools UK outfit, in besides security conference. So yeah, so basically, oh, by the way, they also provide a guide. I should show that as well because it might come handy. If only I can just get it. uh, sure, why not. So this is their guide. If you buy the starter kit, you can use this guide to go about that starter kit. So let's just get the unboxing started. The thing is, I'm using my phone as a source for my OBS, so it is not working as it is supposed to. Well, at least it is not very fluidic, if I say so myself. hmm I got the 30 pound one. The starter my starter kit cost about £30 because it provides an extra lock for me to practice on. There are actually three starter kits. One is for £20, another one is for £27, and this one is for £30. So I'm pretty excited for this one. So this must be the lockpicks. Uh, so yeah, I have almost no idea about uh, what each pick is used for, but I will as I get more practice and I learn more about lockpicking. But the quality seems to be pretty good. Like they are made out of pretty good and hard material. Like it is not brittle at all. So these are the picks. It also has tensioners as well. I can see that tensioners. Yeah, two or three tensioners. And then there should be two locks for practice. All right, let's see. Yeah. Oh, also they provide the keys. Like you can use this starter kit for learning impressions, like basically using a key, a blank key, and using that blank key to try to open a lock. uh, Once you like when you start like trying to wriggle that key, it will leave marks on the blank key and on how to like cut or on how the pins are set basically. So this is the first one, this is the second one. And these locks are actually being used like right now. Like some places still use these locks. uh yeah, they also gave some extra keys for impressions. And wait, I think I got two extra locks, because the one that I am supposed to practice on is actually here. Maybe I should just open it instead of talking about it. mm, and the thing is, like, they are the person who made these is NKT. He's the wait, I dropped something. Hmm. Anyway, so he actually was able to send me, or like post this just 2 days before Christmas. I was I asked him like if he could, because I wanted to give this to myself as a Christmas gift. And he actually got it posted by 23rd, and it arrived today. Today's 27th. Okay, so I can see like there are some keys. uh Man, there are so many things. There is a lock, and I'm sure the other contraption that oh, there are pins as well. Well, I will have to open it separately, like yeah, let's not fuck with that right now.